Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my ZOUPW power bank.
This 200-watt fast charger has been such a lifesaver because I'm someone who works remotely, but I'm also out a lot, and I like that I can take this with me on the go. I can easily charge up my phones, my tablets, even my laptop, and it's very portable. Using the little strap, I can carry it around, or I can just slip it into my backpack and continue charging my devices on the go. I love that it doesn't feel like a brick despite its capacity. I mean, it's hefty for sure, but in a good way. It feels solid, like it's built to last, but still portable enough to toss in my bag without worrying about it getting all banged up. So it's perfect for using outdoors since it's very durable, and the huge 60,000 milliamp battery lasts a really long time. So you can have peace of mind that you'll be able to charge all your devices when you're out and about. Besides being super versatile for outdoor use, I also use this to work remotely. So sometimes we have power outages, or I want to work kind of far from a wall outlet. So I can easily use this charger along with my laptop and my tablet, or my tablet and my phone. And it also has a very handy emergency light. So for emergencies, outdoor use, indoor use, this charger is perfect.
And that's my point of view.